Hello again, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, hello, I am Grace Annabelle, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for clicking to watch this video. And to my old subscribers, guys, I appreciate your love and support to this channel. God richly bless you all. So in today's video, I am sharing with you how I prepare my assorted meat and smoked fish light soup. So you have a look at this beauty here. Isn't this beautiful? This is not just beautiful, it is delicious, flavor pack, and just incredible. All right, so without much ado, come with me to my creative kitchen and let's start cooking. Okay, so here are the list of ingredients that I'll be using. All right, so let me talk you through. I have here some cured meat, that's goat's leg, and that's pig feet precontre, and here is cow foot, okay, kutuje. And yep, I also have my butter beans. This is called edua in Ghana. Among the Ashantis, it's called edua. Here I have one large size of onion minced, a little bit of turkey berries, 2 teaspoons of tomato paste, 1 smoked catfish, 1 iridan fruit prekese, 1 teaspoon of coriander seed, 5 scotch bonnet peppers, eggplant, garlic, fresh tomatoes, ginger, and that is 50 grams, and 1 large onion. All right, so into my pot or saucepan, I'll add in all my meat. Okay, so next I'll add in my minced onion. All right, so we'll put that aside, and then next in a separate pot, I'll add in my eggplant, the tomatoes, the pepper, the butter beans, which is the idea, the turkey berries, which is cream suswa or abedru. Then I'll add in enough water and bring those to a boil. Okay, so before I bring those to a boil, I will char grill my smoked fish and then the iridan fruit. Okay, this is to release the oil and the fragrance in them. Okay, so if you are cooking with smoked fish or iridan fruit and you really want to get that flavor and aroma, you really want to taste it in your soup, just do it this way. Okay, just give it a quick grill on top of your gas cooker. Yeah, gas cooker. You can't do this on electric cooker. You can only do it on a gas cooker. All right, so yes, after char grilling it, in Ghana we say the namono e kenjana samede aprekeseno e kenja. I will then get my meat and then the vegetables on my cooker, and next chop or dice or minced the onions to make life easy for my blender. Okay, so yes, that's what I'm doing right now. All right, so after cutting the onions, I'll do the same thing to the ginger as well. I've added in my garlic. Now I'm cutting the ginger into small pieces. Next, I've added in my coriander seed. And yes, that's the other half of the onion. I'll chop that and add that in, and then pour in water. Okay, Okay, I'll then blend those. All right, guys, so as you can see from the list of ingredients, I did not add salt. This is because the pig feet and the cured meat is very salty. All right, so whenever you are cooking with those two, you got to be very, very careful and mindful of using salt. All right. Okay, so my meat has been simmering on, it has been steaming for 5 minutes. I'll give it a stir and leave it to simmer again on a low heat for another 5 minutes. Please always cook on medium to low heat, okay? All right, so I'll cover it and then let it simmer again for another 5 minutes. In Ghana, we say emechi enamnoho. Okay, so yes, at this point, I'll add in my blended veggies and the spice. All right, so I used coriander seed. You can use any spice that you have. I also do not add in any seasoning cube because the cured meat and then the pig feet are very flavorful on their own, and also they are salty as well. So yeah, I don't want to add anything salty again. All right, I really want to enjoy my food. I don't want the soup to be ready and it tastes so salty that I wouldn't be able to enjoy it. No, I don't want that. Okay, so next, I'll go ahead and prep my smoked catfish. So into this basin, I have some water. I'll cut the guts or the stomach of the catfish and remove the throat, and then give it a very quick wash. Okay, so this one, you don't have to wash it for a very long time. No, you don't do that. You give it a very quick wash. So watch me do that quick wash. Okay, that's it. Okay, so I'll put that aside and then next wash my IRADAN fruits, precursor, and put that aside. Okay, so I'll cut those into 4 pieces, 4 small pieces. You can put it in as it is whole like that, but I prefer cutting it into smaller pieces so I can get a piece in every pot. Okay, that is when I portion my soup. All right, so yeah, here you are. I have my wash clean catfish and IRADAN fruit, which is the precursor, in there. And then next I'll check on the base of the soup. So at this time, my base, the base of my soup is been cooking for 10 minutes now, and I've added in my IRADAN fruit. I'll cover it and then next work on my veggies and then the butter beans, which is the idria. Okay, so I'll separate the butter beans from the remaining vegetables and then go ahead and peel the skin off the butter beans, the idria. Okay, so in this bowl, I have some cold water. I've added in my butter beans. Now I'm peeling off the skin. It's so easy to peel the skin off when it is well cooked, okay? So yes, just rub your thumb around it or your fingers, your fingertips around it, and yeah, the skin just fall off as easy as it is. Okay, so here I have my butter beans, and this is what is going to get our light soup to be so creamy. Okay, and it will also give the soup a look like peanuts soup. All right, so at this point I've added in my blender the butter beans. I'm adding in the remaining vegetables and then add in enough water and blend this. Okay, so after blending this, I'll pour this onto the base of my soup. Rinse my blender with water and pour that in as well. And then next I'll add in enough water to make the soup. Okay, so I'll give it a very good stir. And then add in my smoked catfish and cover it partially. Now I'm adding in my tomato paste, which is 2 teaspoons. Okay, so I'll cover it partially and leave it to cook. So my soup has been boiling for 10 minutes now. And look at this beauty. Okay, so 30 minutes into my cooking time or cooking process, my soup is really doing well. The Aridan fruit, oh my gosh, is smelling so good here. If you've ever cooked with Aridan fruit, you know what I am talking about. The fragrance, the aroma is just amazing. It is incredible. Okay, so at this point, I'll go ahead and throw in some babu shito that is also bringing in another fragrance, okay? Yes, cooking is all about infusion of flavors, and that is what I am doing right now, okay? So, yeah. So at this point, I'll turn down the heat from a medium heat to a low heat setting and leave this to cook for 20 minutes. And yes, our soup should be ready. So look at that. The soup is boiling gently, okay? It is on low heat at this point. And yes, an hour into the cooking of my soup, this is how it is looking. The soup is ready. It looks so creamy, so delicious. And guys, the atmosphere, the air around me, the air in my kitchen, it's so divine. And look at this beauty here. My soup is ready. It is as easy and simple as that to prepare. But guys, trust me, it is so delicious, so flavorful and amazing. You will love it. Should you try it? You will definitely love it. All right, guys, so that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please click on that red subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so anytime I upload a video, you will be among the first to be notified. Until I come your way with something delicious, something yummy, something finger licking, stay safe, stay out of trouble, be true to yourself, and remember that life's greatest lessons are usually learned at the worst times and from the worst mistakes. I'll see you again in my next one. Bye bye.